Good afternoon, basketball fans, and welcome to the Ako Bicol Cup. Masbate. Dito pa rin sa Rodeo, capital of the Philippines, of Masbate. We are live here at the Milagros Covered Court para sa ating first game of our quarterfinals. A matchup between Baleno and Kataingan. Ako nga po pala si David Joshua Bernales. Kasama natin ang ating game analyst na si Jem Leto. Jem, kumusta ka?
Magandang hapon, partner, and I'm as excited as you are para sa ating first matchup ng ating doubleheader in this day 1 of our quarterfinals. Team Baleno against Team Kataingan. Both teams finished second sa kanilang groups sa bracketing system. And of course, itong Team Baleno, the big question for them is will their athleticism reign supreme with the likes of Noy Pragoso and Mark Poole dito sa ating matchup. And of course, itong Kataingan naman, newly reinforced team. And of course, meron silang mga bagong player na dapat abangan ng ating crowd. And of course, to our viewers, this matchup is brought to you by Ako Bicol Cup Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa.
And ayun na, partner, nakikita natin dito sa ating hardcourt na nagwa-warm up na ang both teams. Now, we will go first dito sa ating first key player na si Noy Pragoso. So, Noy Pragoso is averaging dito as a 68% from the field, averaging 20 points per game and 11 rebounds per game. Grabe, double-double performance siya on the elimination rounds. Pero let's head in dito sa ating team of Kataingan with their key player Roel Bergantin, averaging 45% from the field, 11 points per game and 8 rebounds per game. So, hindi sila magkapareho when it comes to their averages. Pero ang pagkakaiba sa kanila, Pragoso is very dominant on the inside paint. He is the one that Baleno is really focusing on when it comes to the offense. Pero dito kay Bergantin, he is a very composed player. Maganda ang kanyang distribution and chemistry when it comes to his teammates.
You know, partner, speaking of Noy Pragoso, he puts the power in the power forward position, and of course, he's the inside presence pagdating sa depensa nitong mga taga-team Baleno. Defensive and rebounding, maaasahan yan si Noy Pragoso. And of course, when getting the second chance opportunities para sa team Baleno, he really is a very efficient player. And of course, sa team Kataingan naman, itong si Roel Bergantin, the cool-headed composer, the orchestration of the offense, and of course, the defensive side. He is averaging almost 2 steals para sa ating game, and of course, a good ball distribution. And the big question for him is how will he incorporate the 2 new players, the 2 new key additions for Team Kataingan.
Okay. Pero ayan, partner, bago natin i-analyze ang both teams, syempre nagtatanong ang ating mga viewers kung paano nakaabot itong mga teams na ito sa ating quarterfinal. So pwede po, partner, na paki-explain sa kanila.
Of course, our Ako Bicol Cup Masbate tournament format, the elimination round, single round robin elimination from districts 1, 2, and 3. The top 2 teams after elimination advances to quarterfinals. And of course, dito sa quarterfinals, single round robin, yung 6 na teams, both in bracket A and bracket B. Top 2 teams mag-a-advance sa ating semifinals. Okay. And sa ating semifinals naman, both teams, top 1 ng bracket A and top 2 ng bracket B ang maghaharap. The top 1 ng bracket B and the top 2 ng bracket A ang maghaharap sa other side of the semifinals. And of course, ang top 1 seeded team natin ay magkakaroon ng twice to beat advantage to play sa ating finals na magkakaroon ng best of 3 series.
Okay, so partner, na-explain mo na sa ating mga viewers. Ngayon, ipapakita natin yung bracket A and bracket B dito sa ating quarterfinals matchup.
And of course, partner, itong bracket A has Baleno, Kataingan, and San Fernando. Of course, these are heavyweight teams pagdating sa kanilang brackets. And of course, the bracket B, San Jacinto, Aroroy, and Placer.
Yun, mga kasurog, nakikita natin dito sa ating mga screens ang bracket A and bracket B. Nakikita natin na napakaganda ng pagkakadistribute nitong ating top 6 teams from the 3 districts ngayong Ako Bicol Cup Masbate Leg. Nakikita natin na very balanced, kumbaga, partner, no? Na napakaganda ng pagkakaano nito. Baleno will face off sa Kataingan in this first matchup natin. Pero ayun, partner, nakita na natin ang bracketing ngayon. Tignan naman natin ang player matchup netong ball game na ito.
And of course, our marquee matchup for our quarterfinals matchup for today is Noy Pragoso and Roel Bergantin. Noy Pragoso averaging 68.98% from the field. Ito naman sa Bergantin, 45.81. 20 points per game para kay Noy Pragoso. 11 points naman para kay Roel Bergantin. And of course, itong si Noy Pragoso dominating the rebounding position with 11 rebounds. Almost 12 rebounds pala, partner. And of course, Roel Bergantin does not shy from that also with almost 9 rebounds per game. And nakita natin itong distribution nitong si Roel Bergantin with 5.5 assists per game. And of course, the defensive prowess, pagdating naman sa depensa, both averaging 2 steals per game.
Yes.
And partner, talagang they're equally matched pagdating sa kanilang positions, sa respective positions, and for their contribution sa kanilang teams.
Yeah, like I've explained kanina, medyo different ang dalawang players na ito when it comes to being a efficient player sa mga teams nila. Pragoso, very dominant. Bergantin, very player eccentric, very player centric sila dito. Maganda yung pagkaka-blend well talaga nila. Maganda yung pagkaka-recruit sa kanila sa kanilang mga teams. So, ngayon mga kasuroga, tawagin natin ang ating third panelist dito sa ating table na si Barbie Floriano to interview those key players. So Barbie, pasok po.
Maayong hapon, Burns, Gem at mga kasurog. We are now on the quarterfinals, and before this game start, let's have a quick interview with the kasurog players of each playing team. So right beside me is Roel Bergantin from Team Kataingan. Roel, in this quarterfinals, how will your team counterattack Team Baleno knowing that they are good with their transitions?
Yun na nga, no? Kailangan naming sipagan pabalik sa depensa para at least paano mababaan naman namin yung production nila ng kahit konti sa transition offense nila. Kasi ang bibilis na tumakbo.
Alright, another question, Roel. May bagong players ang inyong team this quarterfinals. Paano nyo ba sila mai incorporate sa laro nyo ngayon?
Sa ngayon, ano muna kami, tansya lang muna kami ngayon kasi ngayon na kami magkakalaro eh. Pero okay lang, basta mag-a-adjust na lang kami pag kung sakali kung ano sasabihin ng mga coaches namin.
Tama yan. So on my left, we have here Noy Pragoso of Team Baleno. Based on your statistics, Noy, you are gaining 20 average points per game. What contribution pa ba nga asahan ng iyong team sa quarterfinals performance mo?
Siguro contributions na madadagdag ko yung rebounding ko na lang lalo, saka sisipagan ko pa.
So follow-up question, what will be your mentality going in this quarterfinals?
Focus lang talaga, baba sa depensa, tapos share the ball, yun lang.
Alright, thank you players and good luck on your game. Ito na muna ang latest mula sa courtside. This is Barbie Floriano, courtside correspondent. Now back to the panel.
Thank you, Miss Barbie Floriano, for that update and of course for that interview sa ating mga players. You know, partner, earlier I talked to the coach of Team Kataingan. Sabi ko nga, I asked the coach kung saan galing itong mga new additions itong Team Kataingan, itong si Joseph Nalos Jr. and of course si Bernie Bregondo, which are both from Cebu. And itong si Joseph Nalos Jr. played for Adamson University. Ito namang si Bernie Bregondo also played for Southwestern University sa Cebu.
Yeah.
Both played sa pro games naman and for Team Bataan. And of course, magiging good addition and key addition sila sa ating opensa and depensa pagdating sa Team Kataingan, partner.
Yes, I'm sure, partner, na makikita natin sila in this ball game as efficient as ever. Pero as we have analyzed and we dug deep into this key players, ngayon punta naman tayo dito sa ating mga team statistics.
And of course, the team statistics for Team Baleno, 91 points per game, partner. Talagang high-scoring team itong Team Baleno. For Kataingan naman, 77 points per game. Assists per game, talagang advantage itong Kataingan. For rebounds per game naman, kitang-kita natin evenly match up itong both teams. On the defensive side, both are equally matched up para sa ating game na to. And of course, turnovers, kailangan nilang bawasan itong mga turnovers and of course, mga unforced errors pagdating sa games. Kaya tingnan natin kung paano sila magdedepensahan.
Yun na nga, partner, no, na napansin natin and nakita ko kanina na kung gaano kaganda ang ball distribution dito sa side ng Kataingan. Given the fact that Roel Bergantin is the one who is being a floor facilitator para sa kanilang team. Pero on the side naman ng Baleno, they are really more offensive type of team. And nakikita natin na ang focus dito ni Pragoso is madagdagan naman on the other side, which is the defense. Pero mga kasurog, alam naman natin, excited na kayo. Ako, partner, excited na. Ikaw, excited ka na ba?
Partner, sabi ko nga kanina, I'm as excited as you are, partner, para sa ating laro.
And ayun mga kasurog, let us go inside of the hardcore to start this first matchup of our quarterfinals.
jersey number 0, Joseph Battlehouse Jingle. Robert jersey number 4, Ryan Eagle. Robert jersey number 12, Rowan Albertine. Robert jersey number 14, Bernie Ricardo. And wearing jersey number 18, Donald Clark Belsanex. And for the first spot for Team Marnell, wearing jersey number 0, Jesse Barlow. Wearing jersey number 8, Paul Barbosa. Wearing jersey number 10, Paul Cool. Wearing jersey number 84, Charles Topino. And wearing jersey number 26, Rob De La Rosa. And for the officials for this ball game, Richard Alan Caron, Asian FIFA Commissioner. Number 1, Ronald Chimasela, National Referee. And number 2, Edison Castrera, National Referee. This is the Bolivia Cup Hispanic Quarterfinals. Ating ball!
And ayun na nga partner and mga kasurog, nandito na tayo sa ating hardcore to begin this matchup with the tip-in. Mark Poole will inbound the ball, will tip the ball pala para sa side ng Baleno, and dito naman sa ating mga kataigan na si Versales. So let's start this ball game.
You know, partner, as observable as it is, talagang undermanned itong mga taga-Team Baleno with the absence of their collegiate players na wala
Yes.
ngayon sa kanilang lineups, and it will be crucial for them to talagang give more emphasis on that inside presence.
Pero ayun, first bucket of this matchup will go to Kataingan. That is a very good 3-pointer there para kay Brigondo, the first player dito na new addition para sa side ng Kataingan. Pero on the other side, Jokino with that fadeaway 2-pointer to tie this ball game.
And Team Baleno with the answer already for this ball game, partner. Ayan na nga, ang Team Baleno.
Mark Poole all the way, layup, that's good, 2-pointer again para dito sa mga taga-Baleno.
You know, partner, both teams are starting out strong. This is a good sign for them, a positive sign for both teams. Talagang ramdam mo na yung quarterfinals.
Pero ayun, Igot, may sagot para sa 2-pointer doon ni Mark Poole. Lamang dito ngayon ang mga Kataingan with 1 point. 8 minutes and 56 seconds remaining. Jokino bumawi for 3. 5 points in this ball game para sa point guard ng Baleno.
Partner, you know, feel ko na itong quarterfinals for this game.
Yeah. I mean, pati ikaw, hindi ka nakakatapos makapagsalita. Kagaya nun, hindi pa ako tapos magsalita ng sentiments ko. May points na naman doon si Brigondo. 4 points in this matchup. He is the highest scorer para dito sa mga taga-Kataingan.
You know, partner, the pre-game analysis nga kanina, sabi ko nga,
Yeah.
this will be a key guy for them kasi bagong addition to sa kanilang lineup.
Pero ayan, Fragoso posting up his defender. Igot now with that steal. Fast break sila dito ngayon. Numbers game. Lamang dito ang mga taga-Baleno. They stop that fast break. Igot will pass to his teammate. Ngayon, kay Nalos Jr. na. The new addition of Team Kataingan gets that floater up. No good. Rebound secure dito ng mga taga-Baleno. De La Rosa lays it up. No good. Matatawagan ng foul dito si Bergantin. And
You know, partner, kitang-kita mo talaga yung tense na itong both benches ng Baleno and Kataingan. Given na high stakes itong larong to, of course, they will play as much as they can and as industrious as they can and as productive as they can para sa larong to.
well, given the fact, partner, na kaunti ang mga players dito ng ating mga taga-Baleno, they need to play conservatively. Kailangan nilang iwasan yung mga foul troubles ng kada players. So, they pwede naman sila maging aggressive but not so much as picking fouls and being more physical sa kanilang mga opponents.
Good observation, partner. Sabi ko nga kanina, with their short man rotation, there are only 9 players for this quarterfinals matchup.
Yes.
Magiging crucial to kasi from the start of the quarterfinals, you really need to win your first game to give you a momentum booster para sa mga susunod mong laro, given na nakapag-bracket sila system, and of course only two teams will qualify for the semifinals.
Yan. Pero ayun mga kasurog, nakita natin na De La Rosa took his second free throw. Again, that's because of a violation kanina ng isang player dito sa ating mga taga-Kataingan. Pero ayun, 2 for 2. That time, si De La Rosa. Pero doon on the other side, Igot does not get that layup. And
Basket interference.
basket interference dito para sa side ng Katayngan. That's gonna be a call on jersey number 19, Versales. So possession will go here para sa team ng Baleno.
And partner, kita mo kagad yung zone defense itong mga taga-Katayngan kasi alam nila na inside presence talaga tong si Noy Fragoso and si Mark
Yes.
Poole.
3-point attempt is no good there. And ayun nga, giving emphasis doon sa sinabi mo, partner, no, they are really guarding the painted area when it comes to Katayngan so that they will, kumbaga, kaya nilang i-deny dito from the possession si Fragoso.
That's right, partner. They try to limit the production of their big men. Pero yun na nga, si Bregondo, on the other side of the defense naman, they cannot really prevent the offensive prowess of this Bregondo. Ang laki partner, ang laking player nito.
Even smothered there by Fragoso. Still, Bregondo gets that 2-pointer in plus may foul pa and he will get a chance to make a 3-point play dito sa kanyang iisang free throw attempt.
And you know, partner, given na talagang may experience na siya sa
Yes.
pro leagues, nakita mo yung galaw niya, talagang mas pinapakita niya na siya ang mas dominanting
Yeah.
player. And of course, sa pro leagues, pag nakapaglaro ka na dyan, yung experience that you bring to the team and of course, that gut in, of course, yung power mo sa inside presence.
Yeah, pero that's a really nice addition there from the side of Katayngan as another dominant presence when it comes to inside of the paint para sa mga gray team dito. Pero ayun, Igot on the other side, intercepted there by Jokino pero nakuha doon ni Bergantin. Bergantin will find someone to pass to. It goes to Bregondo. Bregondo stops, passes. Igot for 3, no good. Offensive rebound, Bregondo one more time for Katayngan. Balik kay Igot, intercepted by Fragoso. One-on-one fast break dito, Fragoso. That's good! 2-pointer para kay Fragoso doon. Medyo nag-slow-mo siya. And was really patient on that attempt. And he converts that for 2. Bregondo matatawagan dito ng traveling violation. Mga kasurog, 6 minutes and 17 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Lamang ng isa dito ang mga taga-Baleno.
You know, partner, as evident as it is, talagang they're intensifying the game.
Yes.
Kitang-kita mo yung energy ng both teams. Talagang they're starting out strong and they're starting out with a fast-paced gameplay.
And they're really dominating this painted area from the both teams. De La Rosa will fire from the mid-range. No good. That's short. Alam nila na kailangan nilang i-utilize yung kanilang mga bigs. Pero Igot powering inside, posting a pull. He will kick it to the outside to Bergantin, who will go inside and kick it to the wrong person. Jokino, open pass to Poole. He is open here. Layup. That's good. 2-pointer para kay Mark Poole.
And you know, partner, ini-expect nila na dadakdakin yun ni Mark Poole.
Yeah.
Pero you know, talagang teaser lang yun
Yes.
sa mga susunod na play ni Mark Poole.
It's not yet the time para kay Mark Poole. Pero on the other side, physicality between the two players here ng ating Katayngan and Baleno.
You know, partner, beforehand, hindi dito pinapalaro si Jesse Odo. He was a bench player for
Yes.
Team Baleno. Given the fact na merong Mark Ernest Fajardo and of course Joven Salvacion on the side of Baleno.
Yeah.
Pero magkakaroon siya ng mas maraming minutes kasi kailangan ng reinforcements
Yes,
din.
yes.
Itong mga taga-Team Baleno pagdating sa ilalim.
Pero ayun, Fragoso will sit down here for a while as we continue on in this first quarter. Bregondo, a powerful presence dito sa side ng Katayngan. That's a wrong communication para sa side nila. De La Rosa will pass to Odo and get a 2-pointer in that possession. Jesse Odo, first bucket niya in this ball game.
Partner right on cue. Jesse Odo really being productive ngayon sa ating ball game.
Ball will go out of bounds. Nalos Junior is not happy with that call. Pero mapupunta pa rin sa Baleno. 5-point lead sila ngayon ng mga kasurog. As De La Rosa, lagi kong namamali yung apelyido niya. De La Rosa will pass to Jokino. Jokino will go inside, laying it up. Easy! 2-pointer para kay Jokino dito.
And what a smooth finish,
Yes.
partner. Talagang he slid into the lane and got himself open with that finger roll finish. Napakagandang finger roll.
Very smooth talaga. Pero on the other side, Bergantin will pass it to Nalos Jr. with 11 seconds on the shot clock. Nalos will bump him and he will be called an offensive foul.
And you know, partner, Nalos didn't like that call from the referees. Pero ito naman, given na talagang dinidepensahan siya ng mga guards ng
Yes.
Baleno, nahihirapan siya ngayon sa intensity ng defensive presence itong dalawang guard ng taga-team na Baleno. And of course, ayun na, napaupo siya sa bench and he is rotated out sa ating lineup.
And ito, partner, ang masasabi ko dito sa mga taga-Baleno, they are being conservatively aggressive in this ball game. Masyadong matindi yung kanilang depensa but they are not poking their defenders, their enemies. Pero matatawagan dito ng foul si Igot on that. That's gonna be a blocking foul on the side of Kataingan.
You know, that's with an unstoppable force na ganun. Si Mark Poole, talagang napakalakas itong player na to. And of course, that's where he thrives.
Yes.
Those strong drives to the basket. And of course, getting inside with the easy finish. And you need really to put a body in there and talagang stop him from getting in the lane.
Yeah, isa rin ito sa magandang players.
Para sa team Kataingan.
Yes.
Para sa team Baleno, partner.
Yeah, Baleno. Mark Poole, he was the best player of the game a bunch of times in their matchups. Pareho sila ni Fragoso na very dominant when it comes to the offensive side. Pero Fragoso is leading this team. Kumbaga, itong si Mark Poole, he is a wingman and a very good wingman for the team of Baleno. Pero going back dito sa ating quarter, tumawag ng timeout dito ang team ng Kataingan to make some changes dito sa kanilang strategy as Baleno is on the lead here. Gandang pasa on the inside to Mark Poole. Will he get it? No good. Put back. Wala pa rin. Pero matatawagan ng foul dito si jersey number 23. That's gonna be a foul on Legaspi.
And sabi ko nga kanina, partner, as we've analyzed the game,
Yes.
etong mga taga-team Baleno, they are really high average pagdating sa mga rebounds. And of course, that's because of the inside presence and the athleticism of that lineup. And given na talagang malakas ang kanilang pwersa sa ilalim, you really need to defend but not really hound them with those fouls kasi they will thrive sa kanilang fouls and of course will bait for those fouls and fish for those fouls for those charity shots.
Yes, of course, partner. And doon, 2 for 2 on the line. Dito si Mark Poole, aabante ng siyam ang mga taga-Baleno with 4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Bergantin taking point, passes to Bregondo. Napakagandang hanap doon. Galing kaya Roel Bregondo ay Bergantin. Para kaya Bregondo, napakaganda. Pati ako, mix and match ko na yung mga pangalan nila.
And that was a fundamental pick and roll
Yes.
play, partner. Napakagandang play, napaka-basic para sa ating mga taga-Kataingan.
On the other side, breaking the defense, Mark Poole.
And you know, partner, Mark Poole shook his head, sabi, it's
Yeah.
too easy for me. Don't give me that lane and I will score.
And, very evident dito, pero Bergantin naghahanap ng bawi dito. Fake attempt, that's good para kay Ruel Bergantin. First points in this ball game.
And partner, the cool-headed composer, itong si Roel Bergantin. Napakasimple lang gumalaw.
Yes.
Hindi siya super flashy. Mas flashy ang kanyang mga plays pagdating sa assist, pero he can also score.
Gabog will fire for 3, that's short. And partner, kung may badge siya sa NBA, siguro mabibigyan siya ng calm and collected. Pero De La Rosa with that block attempt again para dito sa Kataingan, no good. Third chance dito, Bergantin will be stolen away by De La Rosa. De La Rosa passes to Mark Poole, controlling the play, stopping the fast-paced movement. Mark Poole setting up his teammates. Fragoso will go inside, kicks it on the outside. He will step out of bounds. That's going to be a turnover for the side of Baleno.
You know, partner, first quarter pa lang, grabe ng intensity ng ating laro.
Yeah.
You know, that's credit to their coaches. Talagang binigyan nila ng instructions na start strong and keep that momentum going into the second quarter and of course our second half para mamaya. And of course, kitang-kita mo yung effectiveness ng mga guards na itong both teams. Given na itong Sinalos Jr., new addition, medyo kinakapa niya pa yung kanyang laro para sa mga taga-team Kataingan. And of course, itong taga-team Baleno, which they mixed together well during the elimination games. They powered through with a 4-game winning streak. Only stained by defeat from Aroroy, but
Yes.
nakabawi sila. Pero ngayon, they are undermanned, and let's see kung how good ang adjustment itong coaching staff para sa ating laro.
Yeah, I've seen their last matchup on the elimination round against Mobo. Itong mga taga-Baleno talaga very, very hard working. Yun din yung nakita natin. Pero ayun, Nalos Jr. getting that end one play. He will go to the line to shoot a free throw to complete the 3-point play.
And his size, partner, napakabagay ng physical play na yon.
Yeah.
He just shrugs off itong kanyang bantay na si De La Rosa. And of course, ganyan talaga yung mga galaw ng nakapaglaro na sa mga pro leagues, and that's the benefit of having that experience and that, veteran leadership sa court.
Pero yun, he does not complete the 3-point play. Nalos Jr. And kumbaga in a layman's term, partner, no, magulang na itong si Nalos Jr. and si Pregondo because of their experience. Pero on the other side, that's a block there by Versales. Oo, magandang defensive stop yun. Pero ball possession will still go to Baleno as Laurio will inbound the ball with 9 seconds on the shot clock. Inside pass dito, balik kay Laurio. It will hit the backboard. It's going to be a turnover on the side of Baleno. Chance for Kataingan.
And partner, I would just like to highlight itong si Danilo Lario, who's averaging also double digits para sa kanyang team nung eliminations, 11.5, almost 12 points per game para kay Danilo Lario. He's a good and consistent contribution para sa kanilang team.
Oh, maganda talaga ang pinapakitang laro dito ni Laurio as he is a very efficient defensively. Pag silang dalawa ni De La Rosa ang nagsasama-sama dito, talagang they are really being a pest sa mga kalaban nila. Kaya marami silang steals na nakukuha dito, marami silang conversions na nakukuha. Pero ayun, De La Rosa will sit down dito in the remainder of this quarter. Magpapahinga siya. Going back sa ating ball game. Igot, nice pass to his teammate Legaspi to get his first 2-pointer in this ball game.
And partner, talagang labanan to sa ilalim.
Oo.
Kitang-kita mo yung pisikalan nitong dalawang team.
Pero yan, Pool on the other side. Thought about that 3-pointer. Balik kay Jukino ang bola. Into the hands of Laurio. Laurio will kick it out to Pool again with 8 seconds on the shot clock. Pool goes inside, breaking away. That's a steal. Pero a late call on the referee.
And partner, that's
To
the
Igot.
second foul of Igot.
Yeah.
He has to be careful. It's only the first quarter.
Oo.
Kailangan siya ng kanyang team sa mga later stages ng ating game, but he got his second foul. Kaya magiging mas maingat na siya dito sa ating laro.
Okay, so a warning here para kay Igot. He will be subbed out here. Instead, Bergantin will go inside of this ball game. Pero yan, first free throw of Mark Poole is no good. Mark Poole is a very high free throw shooter in this elimination rounds. Maasahan mo talaga siya when he goes to the line. Pero yan, first attempt niya is no good. Second attempt.
And you know why, partner, he gets those charity shots and second chance opportunities?
Yes.
Masipag kasi itong si Mark Poole when it comes to when driving to the basket.
Oo.
And talagang he really fishes for those fouls. And talagang walang choice ang depensa na talagang i-foul siya.
Oh, kung hindi nila ifa-foul si Mark Poole, he will convert that drive inside. Pero another turnover dito para sa taga-Kataingan. Kabog, no good sa kanyang attempt. Napakagandang depensa yon on the side of Kataingan. Pero yan, Bergantin on the offense, passes to his teammate, and a foul will be called here on Kabog.
And Bergantin really wants to share the ball, pero I think he could have shot that opportunity alone by himself. Pero pinili niyang hanapin tong si Versales. And this is a good sign for Kataingan. Talagang itong si Bergantin, he really developed as a player dito sa ating liga. And I've talked to Kapa Morgan earlier because he covered this player.
Yeah.
Talagang kitang-kita mo yung development niya as a guard. Nung una sabi niya, he only plays by himself. And he only plays and scores a bunches by himself. Pero as the tournament proceeded and of course the tournament organized, nagkaroon siya ng mas magandang laro with his teammates and of course chemistry pagdating sa ating mga laro.
And yun na nga, partner, kanina we've discussed about Ruel Bergantin. He is really a very good and efficient player. Talagang nahanap niya yung mga open teammates niya and he has really tutok siya on the high percentage shots. Pero Cabog with this attempt is no good. Pero a putback by Laurio is good there.
And,
Two-pointer
you know,
para sa kanya.
This is where he thrives, itong mga second chance opportunities. Masipag tong batang to, si Danilo Laurio.
I mean, undersized siya pero palagi siyang nasa ilalim ng basket to get that second chance opportunities. But on the other side, 15 seconds left in the game clock in this first quarter. A foul will be called here on Joquino. It's gonna be his first personal foul, a penalty dito. Free throws para sa mga taga-Kataingan.
And partner, first quarter pa lang, the fouls are already flying.
Yeah.
And talagang binibigyan ng mga fouls. Pero, you know, both teams really need to be careful about those fouls, lalo na sa mga key players nila. Going into the second quarter in the final stages of our game, they really need their players. And of course, sa depensa, medyo bababa yung intensity pagdating sa mga sa defensive sequences because of these fouls, and they really need to be careful and they really need to be more conservative, sabi mo nga.
Yes. Pero yun, Rosales will complete 2 of his free throws. 3-point lead na lang mga kasurog ang hawak dito ng mga taga-Baleno. Last possession nila dito. Mark Poole facilitating. 3 seconds to shoot. Mark Poole lets the ball go. Finds Cabog for 3. In and out. No good sa kanyang attempt, and that's gonna be the end of our first quarter. 24-21 lamang dito ang mga taga-Baleno.
And partner, grabe. Kaka-start pa lang ng ating laro and damang-dama mo na yung intensity and yung init nitong dalawang team na to. Both really want to start out strong sa ating quarterfinals, and it's only day 1 ng ating quarterfinals. The first matchup of our doubleheader, talagang kitang-kita mo yung intensity ng laro. Team Baleno really consistent on their shots, good free throw percentage, and of course the field goals. Sa kanilang depensa naman, sa defensive sequences, nadedepensa nila itong mga guards ng Team Kataingan na nagpo-force ng mga fouls. Nalos Jr. already has 2 fouls, and of course itong si Igot may 2 foul kaagad, which are key players for them na they really need to be conservative. Pero it's a good revelation for Team Kataingan itong si Bernie Bregondo na bagong reinforcement ng team. And of course, hindi pa rin nagpapakawala itong Sinalos Jr. Pero nakita natin yung effectiveness niya pagdating sa opensa.
Pero partner, in my opinion, wala akong masasabing pangit with the performance of both teams on that first quarter. Napakaganda ng mga pinakita nila, both offensively and defensively. Athleticism nandoon, court vision nandoon, defense nandoon din. Pero let us see as we go inside of our hard court for our second quarter if may mga significant changes ba ang both teams na ito. So possession will go to the team of Baleno.
And partner, itong leading scorer for our first quarter kanina, Mark Poole with already 9 points. And on the other side naman, si Bernie Bregondo with 9 points.
It's another 3-pointer para kay Joquino, as you were saying, partner, kanina. That's gonna be the second 3-pointer made para kay Joquino dito. And a steal there from the side of Baleno. Fragoso open here, laying it up. That's good. Gandang depensa ni Bergantin, but still disregarding that as Fragoso will get another 2-pointer.
Sabi nga natin, partner, kanina, he puts the power in the power forward position. Napakalakas na player, drives hard to the basket, gets those fouls. Very physical, but good touches on the field.
Very well said, partner. Pero on the other side, Bergantin will pass to Nalos Jr. He will go inside, floats it up, and that is good. 2-pointer again para kay Joseph Nalos Jr. Turnover here para sa side ng Baleno. Bregondo ngayon on their side, bumping up his defender, posting up Mark Poole. And there will be a call by Eman Faraon on Mark Poole.
And that's, I think that's a foul on Mark Poole on Bregondo. Talagang nagpipisikalan tong dalawang to. Kanina pa to nagbabanggaan sa ilalim.
I mean, this is a really high-stakes game. So, we will expect a very physical matchup between these two teams. Let's just hope na walang masyadong magkaroon ng kainitan within this hard court. Pero going back, 14 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa mga taga-Kataingan. Nalos will fire for 3. Does not make that shot. Joquino ngayon on the other hand will pass to Mark Poole, goes inside, spins around, gets that attempt, good! 2 points again para sa leading scorer ng Baleno, Mark Poole.
Grabe, partner, wala akong masabi sa player na to. He's really athletic, and his build is really good for the wing position.
Igot fires that 3, matatawagan ng foul dito si Cabog. 3 attempts here para kaya Igot. Alam na alam ko, partner, na very efficient itong si Igot when it comes to the 3-point line.
And that's right, partner. You're really correct na you really need to defend Igot beyond the arc, given na talagang shooter tong batang to.
Yeah.
And given na he's a sharp shooter and a spitfire point guard for Team Katayngan. Well, ito naman mga opportunities na nabibigyan itong beyond the arc. That's credit to their spacing.
Yes.
Kitang-kita mo yung spacing ng dalawang teams. Mas magandang sa Katayngan kasi nabibigyan ng mas magandang positioning ang kanilang mga wing positions.
Oo.
And of course, nagkakaroon ng freedom itong si Nalos at si Bergantin to compose and of course orchestrate that offense.
So, 2 for 3 from that line, si Igot. And yun nga, giving emphasis doon sa sinabi mo, partner, maganda ang pinapakitang player movements nitong mga taga-Katayngan when it comes inside of the hardcourt. Kaya mas madaling makagalaw ang kani-kanila mga players. Pero going back, Baleno on the offense. Laurio will go inside and penetrate. That's a steal by Bergantin. Numbers game dito, 3-on-2 fast break. Igot to Nalos Jr. to that attempt. That's good. 2-pointer and a chance for a 3-point play para kaya Joseph Nalos Jr.
And partner, kahit sabihin na natin na bago pa lang itong mga additions ng Team Katayngan, they're really blending well sa kanilang opensa. Kitang-kita mo yung chemistry. Kahit na sabi nga ni Coach kanina, hindi pa sila nakapag-practice with their new additions. And sabi niya, he will just need the first quarter to adjust for the ball game. And I think he really adjusted well for this ball game. Kitang-kita mo yung distribution ng bola kay Nalos, kay Bregondo. And of course, they really mix well with Bergantin.
Yes. I mean, there's really no more room para sa first game jitters dito sa new additions ng ating mga taga-Katayngan. Pero that is proven because of the efficiency that these two players are giving off. As Bregondo will get a steal, Nalos will go inside, spin, trying to break away. No good sa kanyang attempt. Ball will go out of bounds. Napupunta sa mga taga-Baleno ang possession na iyon. 7 minutes, 49 seconds remaining in this first half. Lamang pa rin ang mga taga-Baleno.
And that's good help defense pagdating sa side itong mga taga-Baleno.
Yes.
They really wanted to chase that fast break and they stopped that fast break. Good
Maganda.
stop on the side for them.
Yes. Nice defensive stop there on the side of Baleno as Pragoso will slash in the lane. Matatawagan ng foul dito si Versales, sending Pragoso to the line.
Naka-partner, an unstoppable force, moving an immovable object.
Yes.
Kitang-kita mo yung hard drive niya papunta sa basket. Itong si Pragoso talaga, this is how he plays.
Yes.
You know, he really plays physical. He forces the issue. He wants an open lane. When he sees that bright glimmer of hope, talagang papasukin niya yan, partner.
Kahit napakaliit lang na window of opportunity, he always takes it and gets it. And Pragoso is really good also when it comes to the free throw line. But he does not make that first attempt. Second attempt, no good. So, it's going to be substitute free throw.
There will
called
be,
here.
I think it's a lane violation.
Yeah. So, one more attempt dito para kaya Pragoso on the free throw line para mabigyan ng 1-point lead ang mga taga-Baleno. He will get that second attempt para kay Noy Pragoso with 5 points in this ball game. De La Rosa harassing Nalos Jr. on that inbound pass. Napakaraming tao, partner, dito sa ating venue na ito. Talagang kaabang-abang ang quarterfinals matchup nitong Ako Bicol Masbate natin.
And partner, I would like to give kudos to the LGU of both teams na talagang nagdala ng mga supporters for their teams. And of course, kitang-kita mo talaga yung hype nitong ating quarterfinals.
And talaga naman, partner, kasi nakikita mo naman na binibigay ng lahat ng mga players ang all nila in this hardcourt as Pragoso will get a block there on that attempt of Igot. 7 seconds on the shot clock. 7 seconds to make a play para dito sa Katayngan. Igot will go inside past the wrong man. It will be an offensive foul called on Bergantin.
Third personal foul, second team foul.
And that will be his third personal foul. Partner, he needs to be careful. Sabi ko nga kanina, di ba? We observed na he was already having second personal foul ng first quarter.
Pero yan, going back dito, De La Rosa will pass to Mark Poole. Mark Poole to Campo, 14 to shoot. He will lose the ball. That's a steal again by Bergantin. He is going all the way. going to pass it. Again, Igot with the layup. That's good. Gandang passing doon for the side of Kataingan. Igot getting another 2 points in that possession.
And Team Baleno really needs to run in the transition defense, partner.
And Mark Poole to Pragoso. No good. Same ball pa rin dito on the side of Baleno. 11 seconds to shoot here for the team in green. Campo will inbound the ball. Passes to Mark Poole. Mark Poole to Cabog. Will fire a 3. No good. Loose ball there will go to Baleno. They will have another try in this offense with 13 fresh seconds in this shot clock. Cabog naghahanap ng mapapasaan. Gets to Pragoso. Pragoso to Mark Poole. Pump fake. Goes inside. Spins. Attempts. Blocked by Bregondo. One more chance. Mark Poole will fire a 3 instead. No good pa rin. Missed opportunity after missed opportunity dito para sa mga taga-Baleno. Bergantin to capitalize. Will go in. Attempt. That's good.
And the cool-headed composer, partner, Roel Bergantin, napakagandang finish. Very patient, hindi niya fina-force yung issue, just having his way with the defense. Talagang napakagandang and napaka-veteranong player tong si Roel Bergantin.
Pero yan, De La Rosa for 3. This time, they make that 3-pointer. As De La Rosa will put a 3-pointer inside the basket.
And without the likes of Manlapas, talagang nagsashine to si De La Rosa.
Yes. Pero yan, Nalos Jr. breaks away on that defense, but the attempt is no good and a foul will be called again here on Noy Pragoso. Napakagandang foul picker nito nga si Joseph Nalos Jr. Talagang napapakagat niya ang mga players dito ng mga taga-Baleno. Pero partner, bago tayo bumalik sa ating hardcourt, tawagin muna natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Mabel Etchigoyen. Mabel, ano ang balita dyan sa iyo?
Maayong gabi, Burns and Jem, at sa ating mga kasurog. I am Mabel Etchigoyen, your courtside reporter for the side of Team Baleno playing against Team Aroroy. After the first half, sinabi ni Coach Alan Licop ng Team Baleno na nakapag-adjust na umano sila sa laro ngayon. Nung una, kinakapa pa nila ang laro ng mga bagong player ng kabilang kupunan at aminadong nahirapan sila sa mga big men nito. Kaya diskarte nila ngayon, focus in the game, lessen turnovers, minimize foul trouble, and assure good ball rotation. Naka-help defense rin si Pragoso at Poole sa mga low post ng Team Katayngan to contain their play. So for now, let's just hope and expect nothing but the best from Team Baleno. Now back to the panel.
Thank you, Miss Mabel Etchigoyen, for that update from our Team Baleno. And talagang partner, tama nga. I talked earlier with the coach of Team Baleno. They want to lessen their turnovers. Nagiging crucial to sa kanilang offense. And of course, on the defensive side, they really need to maximize the advantage of having Anoy Pragoso in their lineup. And of course, given na absent itong dalawang big man nila na si Fajardo and si Salvacion,
Yes.
Noy Pragoso really needs to be in a double time position, partner.
Oh, pero ayan, 2 for 2 on that free throw attempt para kay Daryl Clark Versales. He has 5 points dito lahat from the free throw line, pero Mark Poole will fire a 3 using that bank shot to get that 3-pointer in. First 3-pointer dito ni Mark Poole.
And partner, kahit holiday, the bank is open.
Yes, sir. Pero ayan, quick shoutout muna tayo dito mga kasurog. Shoutout sa Villanueva clan of Baleno and Masbate. Maraming salamat po for watching and supporting Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. Going back, Cabog will fire a 3. No good. Secured rebound there by Brigondo. Nalos Jr. with the ball. He will drive inside, spins, attempts. That's good with that floater shot. 8 points in this ball game.
And he is already productive sa kanyang debut game for Team Katayngan. This is a good addition for Team Katayngan, partner.
Yes, very, very wise addition here for the side of Katayngan as De La Rosa will fire that 3-pointer. He will not make it out of bounds. Katayngan again to capitalize. They have a chance here to get the lead. 38-37, mga kasurog ang score. 1 puntos lang ang kalamangan ng mga taga-Baleno.
Yung grabe, partner. Talagang tightly contested tong ating second quarter.
Yes.
Only one 1-point deficit para sa Team Baleno. Pero given na talagang dinedepensahan talaga ng mga taga-Team Kataingan, nakukuha nila itong mga mini runs.
Yes, pero yan. Pipito now with the ball, guarded by De La Rosa. Pipito will stop on the 3-point line. Almost intercepted there by De La Rosa. Brigondo goes inside, attempts. Natawagan ng foul dito si jersey number 20, Jeff Kalimutan.
And you know, Parker as physical, and look at the physique of Brigondo. Talagang when you play him and defend him on the post, there's no other choice but to foul or talagang bump your body, absorb the contact, and you know, try to defend him well pag nagkakaroon siya ng opportunities on the inside when he drops that shoulder and gets to his mark and gets to his lane. Pero talagang napaka-unstoppable itong si Bernie Brigondo.
Napakaganda yun. Also a very high free throw shooter, Bernie Brigondo. He makes the second shot. We are now tied at 38 apiece, mga kasurog. Mark Poole now to get the lead back here for the side of Baleno as Lauri will fire a 3. No good sa kanyang attempt. Clemente securing that rebound. Pipito will pass to Legaspi. No good for the lead. Intercepted. Pero naagaw ulit dito ni Odo ang bola. Baleno ngayon nasa opensa. Mark Poole goes inside, slashes, passes to the outside. De La Rosa will go in, kicks it. And a foul will be called here para kay Pipito.
I think Parker earlier nung nag-drive si Mark Poole, he was looking for the cutters.
Yeah.
And I think that's the emphasis dapat itong coach ng Team Baleno. There should be more cutters kasi pag nagda-drive itong si Mark Poole, he is being double-teamed by the defenders of Team Kataingan. Nagkakaroon ng mas magagandang opportunities ang ibang players, but they really need to cut to the lane. They really need to cut to the middle or the baseline. And nalilibre ang mga players, hindi lang nagkakaroon ng support itong si Mark Poole.
Yeah, we know that Mark Poole is really a slasher. A slasher guard in this tournament. So, kailangan yun inutilize ng mga taga-Baleno that they need to be open if and when Mark Poole is not really kung ano ba?
He's driving to the lane, partner.
Kung hindi niya kayang i-shoot yung bola, kung hindi niya kayang makapag-make ng bucket, kailangan may mga open players na pwedeng pasahan ni Mark Poole. Para syempre hindi rin masayang yung kanilang opportunity doon. Pero yan, going back dito sa ating ball game, De La Rosa now with the ball. He spins and kicks it to the middle, but there is an interception there from the side of Kataingan. Same ball pa rin dito, mga kasurog, with 8 seconds on the shot clock.
And pansin ko, Parker, talagang tumaas din yung level ng depensa ng mga taga-Team Kataingan.
Yeah. I mean, really, partner, wala pa tayong masasabing pagkakamali dito ng both teams. Kasi napakaganda ng performance. They have a tie ball game here. As Mark Poole will attempt a 3 and gain the lead back for the side of Baleno.
Wow, Mark Poole has been unguardable in the past 2 quarters. Talagang he can go inside, he can shoot outside. Talagang paano ba yung didepensahan?
Yeah. Rigondo, nice pass to the inside para kay Clemente. Balik kay Pipito ang bola. Pipito to the inside. Versales, layup. That's good. 2-pointer is made here by Darrell Versales.
Great drive, partner.
Yeah.
Great strong drive by Darrell Versales.
1-point lead again para dito sa Baleno. Mark Poole, intercepted pass. That's a steal. Rigondo secures it. Passes to Pipito. Pipito to Versales. Versales for a back-to-back pointer. That's good.
Yan yun. Napatawag ng timeout itong mga taga-Team Baleno because of that mini run by Versales. You know, you really can't allow him to give him that open lane.
Yes.
Kasi kitang-kita mo, napaka-versatile and napaka-lakas na player nitong si Versales.
Yeah.
He's really, kahit sa length niya, no, Parker, sa size niya, he's really slashy and he's really flashy din pagdating sa mga drives.
Yeah, I know that Versales is really a good player. A really good contributor when it comes to the offensive side. As I've commentated one of their games before, talagang kapag hindi nag-work out yung prowess dito ni Bergantin, Versales is the one who is stepping up. And also, hindi rin natin pwedeng tulugan dito si Roch Legaspi. Hindi pa siya na-activate dito sa ball game, pero okay lang yun. Dahil nandito si Brigondo, Sinalos na idagdag. Kaya, yan, we are still here. Close game. Pero may change favor tayo dito mga kasurog. Laurio will pass to Fragoso. Fragoso will get that foul. He will be sent again to the free throw line.
Si partner kung gano'n nila kagustong ilimit itong opensa nitong si Fragoso. He's really being doubled and being hounded sa gitna. Dalawang player, binabantayan siya.
Oo.
Talagang gustong kunin sa kanya yung bola. You know, that's how you should defend. I think it's talagang recommendable na gano'n. Pero, you know, he will get those charity shots and just hope na he does not shoot them.
Yeah.
Pero yun na nga partner, given na talagang his good inside presence, magkakaroon din talaga ng adjustments tong team Kataingan without of course, given na talagang nakapasok itong mga bench players ng Kataingan, they really need to defend this Noy Fragoso.
Yeah, I mean, obviously alam na yan ng mga taga-Kataingan na kailangan nilang maging physical and they really need to defend Fragoso dito. And okay rin naman ang strategy na yon. Pero Bergantin on the other side will get that layup. Grabe. Pinaglaruan niya lang doon si Fragoso on his layup there.
You know,
Very enjoyable player to
Yeah.
watch dito si Roel Bergantin. Pero on the other side, Fragoso crashing to the lane. Getting that two-pointer. Muscling through the defense para sa Baleno.
and sabi ni Fragoso, umusog kayo dyan, akin ang basket.
Tie ball game mga kasurog, 44 apiece. Traveling violation will be called here para kay Versales. An opportunity for Baleno to take the lead once again.
Partner, this is what the coaches want to see, the intangibles. They really defending
Yes.
well on the inside. And of course, opportunities din para sa kanilang opensa.
Fragoso again! Grabe, wala akong masabi dun sa mga fakes niya. Marami siyang napakagat na players doon. Very nifty player dito si Fragoso, and I think he is activated in this final minutes of the second quarter. Attempt is no good para kay Versales doon. Another chance for Baleno to extend their lead. Fragoso will pass to De La Rosa. De La Rosa to the corner. Odo will go inside. Kicks it. Walang tao doon. Intercepted here by Kataingan. Now they are the ones with the chance to tie this ball game. Bergantin very patient there to get that two-pointer to tie this ball game. Shot clock is off mga kasurog. 20 seconds left in this second quarter. Double dribble will be called here para kay De La Rosa.
And partner, earlier, nakita mo yung marquee matchup natin talagang nag-activate sa last minute ng
Yes.
ating second quarter. And talagang nagpapasiklaban tong dalawang player na to. Our analysts were correct. Pagdating sa marquee matchup, talagang itong dalawang player na to ang nagkakaroon ng konting rivalry pagdating sa court.
Pero yan, let's go back into this final seconds of the first half. Final possession dito ng mga taga-Kataingan. Tinitignan ni Bergantin ang oras dito. He will pass to Clemente. Balik sa kanya. Clemente again will double clutch that three-pointer. He gets it off. Pero it doesn't go in. And we are done with our first half mga kasurog. Tayo ball game tayo dito. 46 to 46 ang ating ball game.
Partner, we're back to square one. Parang hindi lang tayo nagkaroon ng game sa sa first half. Pero, the intensity pagdating nitong Kataingan sa opensa.
Yeah.
Kitang-kita mo yung how Bergantin controls the transition offense and of course gives his teammates bigger opportunities pagdating sa opensa. And of course, let's not forget and credit itong Team Baleno for their offensive production. Itong si Fragoso really forcing his way in inside. And of course, itong si Mark Poole scoring bunches of buckets for his team.
Pero yan mga kasurog, nakita natin na napakaganda ng first half na itong ball game na ito. Tutok lang kayo at magbabalik po ang Ako Bicol Cup Masbate for our second half.
Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po araw po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang di Sambuya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Nangunguna pa rin sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa buong Kabikulan, mga panturismong infrastruktura,
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang di Sambuya.
mga paaralan at mga gusaling kapakipakinabang.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang Sambuya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ang pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Dakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdig. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa.
We are back live mga kasurog. Dito pa rin sa Milagros Covered Court para sa Ako Bicol Cup. Masbate, first game of the quarterfinals matchup between Baleno and Kataingan. Napakaganda ng performance na pinakita nitong dalawang kupunan na ito. And nandito ngayon si Jem to bring us the halftime statistics.
You know, partner, let's look at the score sheet for that first half. Bench scoring even, pero sa points in the paint, Kataingan really dominated on that, the painted area. Sa turnovers naman, Kataingan had the upper hand pagdating sa turnovers. They really need to lessen their unforced errors. And of course, that's credit to the defense of Team Baleno.
Of course.
Pero naman sa fast break points, kitang-kita natin yung transition offense itong mga taga Baleno. And of course, that's credit to their point guards, De La Rosa, and of course, Laurio, and the contributions of Mark Poole and Noy Fragoso to maintain their advantage or of course, their scoring here sa ating game. Pero second chance points naman, given na even sila sa ating scoring, magaling itong dalawang team sa rebounding, partner.
Mapapansin natin na partner kanina nasabi mo yung points in the paint is really low for the side of Baleno. Yun ay dahil sa napakagandang depensa. Talagang pinapatay nila dito on the painted area yung mga attempts ni Noy Fragoso, pero there are times that he really breaks away on the defense. Kagaya ng isang sequence talaga pati ako napabilib ako dun sa pinakita niyang movement. Pero makikita natin dito mga kasurog kung ano yung mga changes and strategies na na-work up ng mga coaches dito para sa side ng both teams as we go back and get underway dito sa ating third quarter. I mean, they had a really near perfect performance for the both teams. They are now tied in this ball game. So, kumbaga, partner 0-0 ulit.
Partner, back to square one, ika nga.
Yes.
And you know, that's credit to their defense. Kita mo naman na maganda yung depensa nila. Nagkakaroon din ng mga defensive lapses, of course, fast break opportunities nabibigyan ng transition offense itong dalawang teams na to. Pero on the side of Team Baleno, talagang nag-dominate sila sa fast break opportunities. Given na maganda din ang unang bulusok itong mga taga-Kataingan.
Pero yan mga kasurog, going back dito sa ating ball game na ito. First possession will go to Kataingan. Brigondo gets that ball stripped away. Fragoso with the steal. Mark Poole slashes on the inside, lays it up. That's good! 2 points again para kay Mark Poole, plus a foul and a chance for a 3-point play.
And the double-double machine duo connection. You know, partner, when they're running on the transition offense, talagang they're unstoppable. There's no other choice but to foul them. And kitang-kita mo talagang end one opportunity. Napakaganda. And itong si Mark Poole already has 17 points.
19 na.
19 points. With
Make
that,
it 20.
Make it 20, partner.
20 points.
And of course, ito si Noy Fragoso with 10 points on the first half natin. On the side naman of Kataingan, Bernie Birgondo with 10 points. Daryl Versales with 11 points. And talagang napakagandang contribution nito ng player na to si Versales.
Pero yun, almost losing that ball there para kay Nalos Jr. Gandang depensa doon ni Jukino. Bergantin with the ball with the 6 seconds on the shot clock. Foul will be called here on Laurio.
That's a hand check, partner. Kitang-kita ng ating referee.
Nasa harapan, pati kasi ni ref yung hand check doon ni Laurio. 14 seconds to shoot here. Bergantin will reset the play. Tatawag siya ng screen dito. He will get the screen. One more time. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Nice spin move. Floater. That's good. Easy shot here para kay Roel Bergantin. 10 points in this ball game.
You see how easy it is for him na makascore sa gitna. And of course, napaka-smooth ng kanyang play, partner.
I mean, yun ang classification niya sa atin dalawa na maganda talaga when he really moves the ball well dito sa ball game na ito. Pero yun.
You know, partner, earlier sabi ko nga, di ba? I dubbed him as the cool-headed composer.
Yes.
And dati nung kinover namin siya ni partner dyan, I called him the Iceman kasi napaka-cool niya lang maglaro and he's already composed. I know he doesn't get his nerves. Talagang he is a good player pagdating sa opensa.
Bergantin got away with that defense. Will pass to Nalos Jr. to get that high percentage shot in. 10 points na rin para kay Nalos Jr. in this ball game. Fragoso will kick it to the corner. Mark Poole will slash and mid-range jumper, no good. Bergantin passes to Versales. Open siya dito with that easy layup. That's good.
That's a great lead pass from Bergantin. Kitang-kita mo yung takbo ni Versales. Napakagandang pasa from the Iceman, Bergantin.
Yeah, pero on the other side, Kabog naman. Guarded by Igot. Kicks it to Jokino. Jokino with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Hindi siya na nga pasa dito. Finds Kabog for 3. No good. Bergantin again taking point dito para sa mga taga-Kataingan. Passes to Nalos. Nalos, pump fakes. Spins. Passes to Bregondo. Layup. That's good.
And partner, napatawag ng timeout itong mga taga-Baleno. Kataingan has a mini run here, 54-49. That's credit to their good scoring. Consistent na sila ngayon. Good adjustment on the side of Team Kataingan.
Led by Bergantin on the side of Kataingan as they get the lead here. 54-49 with 7 minutes and 44 seconds left in our quarter.
And Bergantin partners racking up those assists.
Yes.
Napakagandang contribution pagdating sa side itong mga taga-Team Kataingan. And of course, that's credit to his vision and his calm and composed nature pagdating sa ating laro. Kitang-kita niya kung sino yung libreng-libre. And nakita natin earlier sa transition offense talagang. Nakita niya si Versales sa open floor.
Yeah, that made Baleno really speechless on that play. Kaya napatawag sila dito ng timeout. Pero ayan mga kasurog, bago tayo bumalik dito sa ating hardcourt again, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Barbie Floriano to give us an update. Barbie.
Thanks, Jem and Burns. This is Barbie Floriano bringing you the latest update from the side of Team Kataingan for this neck-to-neck battle. According to Assistant Coach Spencer Iscartia of Kataingan, with the addition of their new players, they are still working on their team chemistry. Kaya naman ay talagang nahirapan ang Team Kataingan during the first half of this game. However, the second half, they will improve more in their inside play para na rin ma-utilize ang physical advantage na meron ang kanilang team at matapatan ang fast-paced game na ginagawa ng Team Baleno. Nagpaalala rin si Coach Philip na gwardyahan ng maigi ang score makers ng Team Baleno na sina Pool at Fragoso. Ito na muna ang latest mula dito sa courtside. Back to you, Jem and Burns.
Thank you, Ms. Barbie Floriano, for that update. And of course, partner, that is true for their team, sa Team Kataingan. They really need to take advantage of their physical presence and their inside presence, partner. Napaka-gandang adjustment ng ginawa nila, and they're having their good run here sa ating third quarter rather.
Of course. Pero yun, nice drive to the basket para kay Mark Poole. Pretty nifty movement para dito sa guard ng ating mga taga-Baleno. Interception there para kay Jokino. He gets that pass by Bergantin. Ngayon, De La Rosa with the ball. He will slash inside. Final shot, no good. Tatawagan ng foul dito si Nalos Jr. It's gonna be second personal foul in this ball game. 17 seconds dito para sa Baleno to get the lead, to get a tie or to lessen the lead to only one. De La Rosa will go inside, kicks it to Mark Poole, pump fake. That's a nice steal there by Igot. Nalos Jr. on the other side. Natatawagan ng foul dito si De La Rosa.
And that's the, experience of Nalos Jr. Kitang-kita mo, partner, he really bumps his way in. He gets the contact and gets the foul. That's what you need when you're on the open floor and may humahabol sa yung depensa.
I mean, hindi niya naman convert yung bola niyon, but he still got one out of De La Rosa there. Kailangan niya mag-ingat dito. 3 fouls na siya in this ball game. Ayan, Bergantin. Get an offensive foul. Ball possession will go to Baleno.
He moved his body, partner. Nahuli ng referee. Yeah. Illegal screen.
Yeah, illegal screen. Okay, there's a chance here para sa mga taga-Baleno to capitalize on that turnover. 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining in our third quarter. Fragoso is holding the ball. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Gets to De La Rosa. De La Rosa with 14 to shoot. Passes to Fragoso. Goes inside. Balik kay Mark Poole ang bola to tie the game. No good. Nalos Jr. passes to Igot. Igot to the corner. Nalos Jr. Nice bump there para kay Jokino. Pero ball will go out of bounds. Possession dito ulit ng Kataingan. Grabe, magulang talaga dito si Nalos Jr.
Pero partner, he could have taken that shot sa corner. Hindi niya tinuloy. I think he preferred a 2-point shot.
Yeah, he chose a more very viable option. Pwede sila dito mag-reset dahil dun sa ginawa niya. So Nalos will pass to Igot. Igot guarded by Poole. He will go inside, lays it up. In and out ang kanyang attempt. Secured there by Odo. De La Rosa, point guard of Baleno, will pass to Mark Poole. Tried to slash in there but nakita niya yung depensa doon surrounding him. Passes to Jokino, no good sa kanyang 3-pointer. Bergantin now, 2-on-3 dito. Nice defensive stop from the side of Baleno. Versales will go inside. Ball possession, balik pa rin dito sa Kataingan. A lot of balls are going out of bounds dito pag nag-a-attempt ang mga taga-Kataingan.
You know, that's credit to the Team Baleno's defense.
Yes.
They really want to get the ball off the ball handler. And you know, partner, that's a good adjustment then on the side of Team Baleno.
Yeah.
You know, the inside presence of Team Kataingan is really dominant and really evident. And talagang, ayun na nga, nagkaroon ng turnover. That's great defense and good adjustment. Nagkakaroon din ng good signs itong Team Baleno.
Maganda yung pinapakitang depensa dito ng mga taga-Baleno as we hit the halftime mark here in this third quarter. De La Rosa being patient with this ball. Talagang pinapa-roll niya lang dito. Ayun. Shot clock will resume here. De La Rosa with the ball, guarded by Bergantin. Hiningi siya ng screen dito. Nabigyan siya. Side step for 3! That's good! Second 3-pointer in this ball game, and we are now tied again with 54 points a pop. Chance dito sa Kataingan to get the lead again. Igot with the ball. Rigonto now goes inside. He will step out of bounds. Nice defense there by Fragoso.
Yung talagang nabigyan ng momentum itong mga taga-Team Baleno. Good timeout on the side of Team Kataingan to cut down that momentum. Pero that was a nice 3-point shot. Step back 3 mala Steph Curry itong si De La Rosa. And I wasn't aware na capable ito si De La Rosa ng ganung mga tira. Pero that was a good sign on the side of Team Baleno. Na talagang, you know, their players are stepping up with the absences of their usual rotation na si Manlapas, na sila Fajardo, si Salvacion. Their players, their bench players are really stepping up, partner.
Yeah, I mean, sila ang maaasahan ngayon ni Coach when it comes to Baleno. So, pinapakita talaga nila na they are deserving to be given an opportunity to play talaga at a more higher minutes per game. And yun, pinapakita talaga dito ni De La Rosa kung ano ang meron siya, kung ano ang kaya niya. Pero going back dito sa ating ball game, napatawag ng timeout kanina yung Kataingan because of that 3-pointer made by De La Rosa. And then another turnover there on the side of Kataingan with Bregondo getting that turnover. So let's start again this ball game. Jokino now taking point in this possession by Baleno. He's setting up his teammates. Hingi siya ng screen dito. Will get it. Will go inside. Pass to Odo. Intercepted by Bergantin. Versales is holding the ball here. Passes to Clemente for that attempt to take the lead. Is good. 2-pointer para kay Robert Clemente. That's his first bucket in this ball game.
Good transition, partner. Good transition offense. Kitang-kita mo yung dalawa. They are rim running. They're covering the spaces in between. Good point.
Mark Poole almost losing that ball. Buti na lang nakuha pa doon ni Odo yung bola. De La Rosa again trying to break away from his defender. Spins, attempts. That's good! 2-pointer again para kay Ralph De La Rosa. He is heating up in this quarter.
Talagang nabigyan siya ng confidence booster nung kanyang step back 3, partner.
Yeah. Back-to-back points. Pero ayun, may sagot ulit. Si Ried Igot with his second 3-pointer in this ball game.
He already has 10 points here on the ball game, partner.
Aquino, nice find to Odo. Medyo malakas yung pasa na yun. That's a turnover on the side of Baleno. Substitution being made here by Baleno. Kataingan holds a 3-point lead against Baleno.
And you know, partner, before we continue, mga kasurog, this is what we expect sa ating quarterfinals matchup. Talagang everything is heating up. High stakes game. Talagang kitang-kita mo yung intensity ng bawat isa.
Kumbaga, partner, this is a battle for pride. It is a two teams. As a putback attempt is no good para kay Versales. Mark Poole on the other hand, going in, penetrating tatlong defenders. Walang pake si Mark Poole as he gets another 2-pointer.
Partner, so strong, so athletic.
Red Brigondo ngayon. One-on-one sila ni Fragoso. Nahuli niya doon. Pero matatawagan siya ng offensive foul.
And I think the bench of Kataingan disagrees with that call.
Yeah, it's very unbelievable para sa side ni Coach. I mean, napapahawak na lang siya dito.
You see the reaction of the players, partner. Talaga, I think Brigonda has to plead his case. Pero, you know, with that call, I think it is reasonable na talagang offensive kasi pinilit niya yung bola. Pero, I don't know, I think
I mean, it's on the angle of the referee. Baka may nakita siyang kakaiba doon sa play na iyon. Pero that's it. Foul called on Brigondo. Possession dito ng mga taga Baleno to get a chance to get the lead here. Nice pass there. Pero matatawagan na naman ng foul dito si Versales. And Odo will go to the line. Jesse Odo will make his first free throws in this ball game.
And you know, partner, sabi ko nga kanina, di ba? With the absence of their big men, nabibigyan ng minutes itong si Jesse Odo. And of course, he needs to step up din on the side of Team Baleno. He can contribute on the inside, pero talagang kailangan niya din na mag-cut para makabigay ng mga assists itong si Fragoso, given ang magaling din ito pumasa.
He needs to get open in this ball game. So, nasa loob siya ng court. Hindi siya masyadong magaling when it comes to handling the ball. So, kailangan niya lang maging open when it's time for him to step up. Pero 2 of his attempts are no good sa kanyang free throw attempt. Nalos Jr. being screened here by Brigondo. He is inside and will kick it to the outside corner. 3, no good. Offensive rebound. Versales, put it back. That's good.
And Versales is a great contributor on the side of Kataingan. Very consistent nung kanilang elimination games. He already has, I guess, it is not 13 points
13,
ata, partner.
Yes. Ayan. Mark Poole is on the inside of the paint again. Dalawang nagbabantay. Wala pa rin pake si Mark Poole, mga kasurog. He gets that ball inside again.
Mark Poole has no regard for defense. Grabe.
May binubutas niya yung mga depensa dito. Pero ayun, Nalos Jr. to take another revenge here. Will pass to Brigondo. Brigondo gets that ball stolen. Mark Poole gets it. 2-on-2 fast break. Inside layup. Using the board. 2 points again for Mark Poole.
Grabe, partner. Things are heating up.
He got for 3. No good. Open siya doon in that 3-point shot. Pero Cabog, nice pass to De La Rosa. And 1.
And partner, this 6-point run is giving Team Baleno the greatest momentum they can ever get from this game.
Let's see that instant replay. Gandang pasa from Rosir Cabog.
Grabe, partner. Grabe. We're speechless here sa ating commentary booth. You know, this is what we expect when we are playing the quarterfinals. Talagang high-stakes game. Napakagaling nitong mga taga-Team Baleno and Team Kataingan. Both good effort, pero talagang, you know, when it comes to the end of the game, you know, kung sino yung pinakagutom talaga sa panalo, kitang-kita mo.
Yeah. But De La Rosa does not complete that 3-point play. Now, Baleno is in the lead. Mga kasurog. Kataingan gets that ball stolen again. Nakuha nila dito. Nalos Jr. is open here. Will go. Attempt for 2. No good. One more time. Put back. That's good para kay Igot. Nice vision there para kay Igot to get that offensive rebound.
Partner, kahit sabihin natin na he plays the guard position and the wing position, he's really big for his size.
Yeah. He's a tall player here and a really experienced player. Pero skyhook attempt there by Pragoso is no good. De La Rosa gets another opportunity for Baleno. He fires a 3. This time that's going to be short. Rebounded there by Igot. Heavily guarded by Cabog. Passes to the corner. Clemente pump fake. One more shot. No good. And matatawagan ng foul dito si De La Rosa.
And Legaspi was too strong for him. He couldn't box him out. Pero on the side of Team Kataingan, kita natin yung mga turnovers. Sabi nga ni Coach kanina sa interview with Miss Barbie Floriano, they really need to cut down their turnovers and the unforced errors. Pero nagkakaroon ng run itong Baleno because of those unforced errors. And I think they really need to adjust pagdating sa dead ball situation. Partner, I think they really need to give more emphasis on their accuracy and their pinpoint passing.
I mean, that's really effective on the side of mga taga-Kataingan dito as they really are lessening their turnovers. Nakakakuha rin sila ng mga fouls when they want to get it. Pero dominant run dito on the side of Baleno. They still hold the lead here with less than 15 seconds remaining in this game clock. Open for 3. Joquino does not make it. Offensive rebound. Pragoso. That's good! I mean, kala ko lalabas pa yung bola doon. Final heave! Nalos Jr. to end this quarter with an exclamation point, tying this ball game again to 66 apiece.
Partner, we're back to square one again. Grabe, ang init itong laban na to. We're speechless here sa commentary booth.
Okay, reset ulit.
Reset.
Relax.
That's a good run for both teams. Palitan sila ng bomba itong dalawang team na to. Let's credit De La Rosa for his offensive prowess. Itong si Pragoso naman nagkaroon ng mga good runs with Mark Poole, with those consistent drives to the basket, open floor scoring. Ito namang team Kataingan, good on their shooting percentages, and of course the 3-point shot. Grabe.
Nagkokontrahan kasi itong dalawang teams na ito. Magkakaroon ng run ang Baleno. Maya-maya magkakaroon din ng run ang Kataingan. Kaya mga kasurog, pantay na naman ang laban na ito. First game pa lang ito.
Yeah, first game pa lang ito ng ating doubleheader. And I'm sure, our viewers online are excited for this matchup. Pati mo sila, partner.
So, binabati ko po ang ating mga live viewers dito sa ating mga social media accounts and mga social media pages. Syempre, don't forget to like and share our stream. Mag-react kayo, i-share nyo ito sa napakaraming tao para mas marami ang makapagpanood at sumuporta dito sa ating mga quarterfinals game. Nakikita nyo naman, mga kasurog na nanonood sa ating mga social media platforms na napakaraming tao dito sa Milagros Covered Court. So, kung wala naman kayong ginagawa, kung wala kayong trabaho, napakalapit nyo dito sa area ng Milagros, pwede kayong manood. May second game pa tayo mamaya after this very high performing ball game. Pero going back dito sa ating ball game to start the fourth and final quarter, Odo gets that mid-range jumper to put Baleno in the lead.
Partner, if Mark Poole can score, he can also pass and distribute the ball.
Yes.
He already has 28 points, partner, in this ball game.
Grabe. Pero yun, Nalos Jr. for 3 again. This time, yun pa rin. 3-pointer again.
And he's still on fire from that buzzer beater earlier, partner.
Grabe, the experience is really kicking in para kay Joseph Nalos Jr. Pero on the corner, no good on that 3-pointer by Laurio. Bergantin securing that rebound. Balik kay Nalos Jr. ang bola dito. He will kick it out to Igot. Igot matatawagan dito ng traveling violation.
And partner, before that turnover, talagang well-distributed itong scoring ng Kataingan. Nalos Jr. with 16 points, Igot with 12, Bergantin with 10, Bernie Birgondo with 12, and Daryl Clark Versales with 15. Talagang napakaganda ng distribution ng kanilang scoring. Well, on the side naman, itong team Baleno, heavily relying on Mark Poole and itong si Noy Pragoso.
Like I said, partner kanina, Kataingan is a very spread out team. So, walang masyadong nangingibabaw sa kanila dito. It's just the fact that Ruel Kataingan is a very good what should we call it, a very good leader when it comes to inside the court, kaya siya yung ating key player. Pero when you look at the team of Kataingan, they are very balanced.
Very balanced, very sound, very organized kahit na may newly new additions and newly reinforced team itong Kataingan. You know, these players from Cebu, sabi nga ni coach, both experienced in the pro games, and of course they give that, you know, edge sa kanila dito sa larong to.
Yeah, plus points yun para sa side dito ng Kataingan. Pero Laurio will get his second free throw in. Abante. We are tied again at 69 apiece, mga kasurog. Bergantin facilitating this play. He will go inside, kicks it to Nalos Jr. Nalos Jr., a very deadly three-pointer here. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Bumps his defender, kicks it to Igot. Igot is open. Three-pointer, no good. Offensive rebound, Bersales, put back, wala pa rin. Shot clock is resetted. Mark Poole gets that rebound. And a chance dito ngayon para sa Baleno. Mark Poole, slashes, passes. Balik kay Jokino for 3, no good. Pragoso. That's a dunk! Noy Pragoso showing signs of his dominant self in this ball game. Getting the lead for Baleno. Nakatayo na ang mga supporters dito ng team in green. Nalos, walang pakialam. He will float it and make it.
Nako, partner.
Sa ball game again.
Wala na akong masabi. That was an emphatic slam dunk coming from Noy Pragoso. Grabe.
Also now with the ball, will go inside, kicks it to the corner. Laurio, pump fake, kicks it to the middle. Jokino, 12 seconds to shoot. Passes to Mark Poole. Pragoso again, no good this time. Hindi siya matatawagan ng foul doon. 3-on-3 dito ngayon. Nalos will pass to Bergantin, intercepted there. Munting pang makakuha dito ng steal. Baleno, Bergantin. Put back, that's good para kay Legaspi.
And good leadership from Bergantin, really slowing things down and finding his man. Talagang napakagandang play na yon.
Undoubtedly, the floor general of Kataingan is Ruel Bergantin. Odo to the corner, Laurio will go inside, lay it up, that's good. Ganun lang, napakasimple lang nung layup ni Laurio doon. Nice passing there from Odo.
Partner, both teams are not missing in their answering each other's scores. Talagang dikit na dikit ang laban na to.
Ayan, Nalos Jr. with the ball. Nice fake there. Intercepted by Jokino. 2-on-2 sila dito ngayon. Jokino will go inside. Lay it up. That's good! Grabe na yung bantay doon ni Bergantin, pero naipasok pa rin ni Jokino. And we will have a timeout dito, mga kasurog. Timeout ng Kataingan. Medyo umiinit yung labanan dito. On our fourth and final quarter, nagsasagutan ang dalawang kupunan na ito.
You know, partner, both teams really up the level of competition pagdating sa ating ball game. And look at that replay of that emphatic slam dunk.
Si Noy.
What a powerful play, partner.
Alam ko na. Partner ang mani-nickname natin kay Noy. Noy Gigil Pragoso.
Grabe, partner. Talagang nanggigigil siya sa rim. Gusto niya sirain eh.
I mean, hindi lang siya yung nanggigigil. Pati yung paka two-handed dunk niya doon. Yung mga supporters nila, yung mga supporters ng Baleno talagang napatayo na lang in anticipation with that two-handed finish.
You know, partner, he really raised the roof.
Yeah.
Grabe. And we know, partner, evidently, he's really capable of doing that.
Yes.
Nasa top 10 place siya lagi. Laging number 1 yan, si Noy Pragoso. Pero, you know, we really need to defend that type of player.
Pero yan, going back dito sa ating ball game, 2-point lead by Baleno. Igot will try to lessen the lead here of Baleno. Pero no good sa attempt doon ni Brigondo. Pragoso again. Inside, crashing. No good. Nice defense by Brigondo. Bergantin with the ball. The calm and collected floor general gets that ball stolen by Mark Poole. Laurio, lob pass to Pragoso. Pass kay Jokino dito. Nakita ni Pragoso na nag-aabang doon si Brigondo. Pero Mark Poole still confident on the inside. Put back again. No good. Nice defense there on the side of Kataingan. Rock solid on the painted area. Kahit nakakapag-attempt dito si Mark Pool, napigilan nila. Pero may foul dito. So 2 shots para kay Mark Pool.
You know, partner, earlier, talagang nagpapalitan ng putok itong dalawang team na to. Earlier, yung momentum talagang nagkakaroon ng tie ball game.
Yes.
Pero given na nagkaroon ng slam dunk itong si Noy Fragoso, the momentum shifted to Team Baleno. Nagkakaroon din ng mas confident shots itong mga taga-Team Baleno.
Yeah. But still, first shot dito ni Mark Pool is good. Pero still, partner, no, medyo hindi unfazed yung mga taga-Kataingan dito. Kita mo naman yung depensa pinapakita nila. Bregondo, inabangan na yung lampas kanina doon para kay Fragoso, kaya hindi siya nakapag-attempt onto crashing the board. So second shot of Mark Pool is no good. 3-point lead here para sa Baleno. Kayang-kaya itong habulin ng Kataingan. Igot with the ball, passes to Clemente. He is open and will fire the 3. No good. Mark Pool will pass to the open Lario. Layup, that's good. Lario. Nakalusot siya sa magandang depensa doon ni Igot.
Look at Cabog really hounding itong si
really
Igot.
Karen Bergantin is in the painted area now. Got that shot blocked by Fragoso, and he will find an open Lario again. Stops, attempts, in and out. No good. Gandang depensa dito ng Kataingan. Gaspi to Bergantin. Bergantin guarded by 2 players here. Will pass to Bregondo. Layup, no good. Pero matatawagan ng foul dito.
Good cut to the basket, partner. And good find from Bergantin. Kitang-kita nyo yung the trailing Bernie Bregondo.
Napakaganda find doon. So, Bregondo will be given an opportunity to shoot his free throws as a substitution on the side of Kataingan will be made here.
You know, partner, with this type of matchup sa ating first game pa lang ng ating quarterfinals, you know, this is the level of basketball you want to see and you want to witness from Ako Bicol Cup, lalong-lalo na sa mga high-stake games. And this is a great effort shown by our teams dito sa ating quarterfinals.
Ano pa kaya, partner, ang maaabangan natin mamaya sa second game? Talagang full package na itong first game na ito. What more when it comes to the second game? So first attempt dito ni Bregondo is no good. Second attempt, he makes it and will lessen the lead here of Baleno. Sila ngayon ang nasa opensa, mga kasurog, with 4 minutes and 34 seconds left in this ball game. A 4-point lead by Baleno. Cabog will try to extend it. No good. He doesn't make it. Pero may offensive rebound siya dito. Passes to Lario again. Ganda nga 360 pass na yon to Cabog to get his first buckets in this ball game. Napangiti na lang doon si Lario sa pasa niya kay Cabog.
And you see, partner, how that slam dunk affected Team Baleno. Confident na ang kanilang mga players.
Igot, grabe. Under that basket. Gandang depensa rin ng Baleno. And on the other side, Lario again for 2. Malos Jr. stopping, bumping, passing. That's a turnover. Nape-pressure na dito mga kasurog, ang mga taga-Kataingan. They need to keep their head cool here.
You know, partner, after that powerful play, talagang they lost their composure.
Yeah.
Pero let's credit ito si Danilo Lario. He's been a revelation for Team Baleno. And, you know, for the fast break opportunities, talagang tumatakbo siya sa mga open lanes at talagang nahanap siya ng kanyang mga point guard.
Pero yan, Fragoso on the inside, kicks it to Cabog. Cabog now with the ball. He will get fouled here by Bregondo. Medyo napalakas yung shove niya doon. Kaya, defensive shove. Kaya Cabog, kaya matatawagin siya dito.
And partner, as you said earlier, dapat talagang they should keep their composure kasi they're being pressured here with the run shown by Team Baleno.
Joquino gets that pass in to Lario with 13 seconds on the shot clock. Mark Poole with the ball, 8 seconds. Pragoso, 5 to shoot. Mark Poole fires a 3. That's good! Mark Poole still consistent in this ball game.
And there's an unsportsmanlike foul on Ray Igot, I believe.
Yeah.
I think, partner, he was being hounded by Cabo, and medyo napagulang siya doon at natawagan siya ng unsportsmanlike foul.
Yeah. Cabo is really getting under Igot's skin.
That's
I
right,
mean,
partner.
I mean, no offense Rosier Cabog is really a pest really a pest para sa Baleno dito. He is the one who aggravates whoever he guards.
Even though he's not really scoring bunches of points, he's really contributing in the intangibles. He's really defending well. Itong si Ray Igot.
Yeah. Kaya, nasasabi ko yan, partner, because of all the games that I've watched Baleno played, Cabog is really the one who really gets under the skin. Kung sino man yung binabantayan niya, napipikon yung binabantayan niya sa kanya. And yeah, it's really converting into offensive fouls, unsportsmanlike fouls, and it's really giving an advantage here para sa side ng Baleno.
This is already a mental warfare, partner.
Let's look at the replay here on the side of Igot and Cabog.
And you know, partner, that's really obvious. That's really obvious. Good call sa ating referee.
Yeah.
Kitang-kita mo na talagang siniko nitong si Igot, itong si Cabog, because he's really been, as you said, a pest for him in the defensive side.
First shot is good here para kay Rosier Cabog. Igot will still be in this hardcourt. He will still play on in this ball game. Alam naman natin na maganda ang performance na pinapakita dito ni Ray Igot.
You know, partner, that's his 4th personal foul.
So one more and he will be excluded in this ball game. So perfect from the line. That time, si Rosier Cabog.
14 seconds to shoot.
So words being exchanged here. Nakikita ko dito sa ating table. Ito nga si Rosier and si Ray. Pero 12 seconds on the shot clock para sa possession dito ng Baleno. Jokino trying to break away from Bergantin. Gandang depensa ni Bergantin. Fadeaway jumper. That's good! Jokino will get another 2-pointer. Shots seem to fall for Baleno in this 4th quarter, mga kasurog. And matatawagan ng foul dito si Laurio.
Right, partner. Everything is falling for Team Baleno. That's credit to their good offense and their good distribution of the ball. They're seeing open men and open lanes. What a nice offensive sequence, partner.
Yeah. Pero yan, 18 seconds remaining in this shot clock para sa Kataingan. Nalos Jr. trying to break away and he will get a foul here. That's going to be a foul call on Jokino.
And don't look now, partner. Dumulobo na talagang kalamangan itong mga taga-Team Baleno. And earlier, kanina, kaka-start pa lang ng ating 4th quarter, dikit na dikit. Pero you know, given that momentum booster from Noy Pragoso, everybody is being confident about their shots. The shots are falling down for Team Baleno.
Igot, mid-range jumper, no good. Kailangan na ditong humabol ng Kataingan as their door is slowly closing in on them. Mark Poole with the ball. 89-74 mga kasurog ang ating score dito. Lamang pa rin ng Baleno. 2 minutes and 7 seconds remaining in this ball game. 3 seconds to shoot. Jokino will fire and gets a 3 again. Last 2 minutes in this ball game. A 3-pointer by Jokino, but an easy 2-pointer there on the other side para kay Brigondo. Hindi pa tapos ang laban nito mga kasurog. Pragoso dunks it again! One more time! Noy Pragoso!
Partner is really being unstoppable here sa larong to.
Nalos Jr. for 3, no good. Now Baleno will try to kill time in this ball game.
And partner, that's really good play for them. They really need to kill the time and then, you know,
grabe. I did not expect this type of performance from Noy Fragoso. One more time. Contorting layup, no good. He will be sent to the line for 2 more on the free throw line.
Akala ko partner, ipoposterize sa si Bergantin.
Yes.
Ang ating marquee matchup, nagkatapatan sa ere.
Napangiti na lang si Bergantin. Nakikita ko siya, ngumingiti dito sa mga audiences.
Akala ko partner, ipoposterize yan.
Yes. So, 2 shots dito ngayon para kay Fragoso to extend their lead. Let's look at that. One more time. That two-handed jam. One more time para kay Fragoso. Kumingiti siya doon. He is happy with his performance right now. He's not the leading scorer for their team, but still, he's very happy with his performance.
You know, partner, given na sabi na nga natin, 9-man rotation lang itong Team Baleno.
Yeah.
They really performed out of their expectations. Kasi nga, you know, with the absence of key players and key guys for them, nag-double time itong mga double-double machine na si Noy Fragoso and of course Mark Poole. Pero given that play, talagang momentum booster and confidence booster para sa Team Baleno.
Perfect from the line that time. Si Noy Fragoso. Pero yan, nice pass. That's an unfortunate turnover here para sa side ng Kataingan.
See partner, that's the effect of the pressure coming in for you. Kasi kanina talagang gikitan and dikit na dikit yung score. Pero ngayon nagkaroon ng lobo sa lead nitong mga taga-Team Baleno. And of course, Team Kataingan is being under pressure here to get that lead to shorten. Pero I think Team Baleno will run away with the win here.
So, napansin natin partner kanina na the 2 additions really blended well para dito sa Kataingan. Pero meron pa rin maliliit na lapses when it comes to the chemistry that they are having right now. That's why from the first and third quarter, nakita natin that we are all tied up. Maganda yung performance nila. Pero when the going gets tough, mayroon tayong nakita mga lapses on the other side.
You know, partner, sabi nga ng coach ng Team Baleno, that is the pros and cons of having 2 new additions sa kanilang kalaban. You know, the cons naman is the pros of them is hindi nila nakita kung paano maglaro itong 2 new additions ng Team Kataingan. Pero on the cons naman side, wala pa naman talagang chemistry itong 2 player na to sa Team Kataingan. And of course, nagkaroon ng defensive lapses. And of course, na-allow nila itong mga offensive itong mga turnovers. And of course, itong mga open floor scoring ng Team Baleno.
Pero yan, final seconds here in our ball game. Jokino is just dribbling out the ball here. And Baleno will secure this ball game in our first ever quarterfinals in the Ako Bicol Masbate.
You know, this is not yet done for them. They still have 1 game each to come back. Pero itong Team Baleno starting off with a victory, napakagandang showing para sa Team Baleno, coming off a victory last time sa kanilang last game sa eliminations. What a game, partner. We saw an exciting matchup from the first get-go to the last part of the game. First quarter to third quarter, dikit na dikit yung laban. But in the first 2 minutes of the fourth quarter, everything changed. Nagkaroon ng magandang run itong mga taga-Baleno. Team Kataingan were a little bit clumsy on the side of the offensive side. Nagkaroon din sila ng magandang runs, but you know, Team Baleno were dominant. Were dominant in the last 8 minutes of that ball game. Kitang-kita mo naman yung effectiveness ni De La Rosa, ni Laurio. And you know, those contributions are very crucial for them. Nakikita natin na nagsi-step up itong mga players ng Team Baleno with the absences of their players, and that's good sportsmanship shown by the 2 teams. And partner, you know, before I cut to you, talagang maganda din yung pinakita nito mga taga-Kataingan.
Of course.
A valiant effort for them. Nalos Jr. was exceptional in his debut game.
Also
Of course, si Bregondo, partner, but you know, they really did not have that consistency going in to that fourth quarter.
I mean, marami silang opportunities na naibibigay sa kanila, but they weren't really being used to the best of their abilities.
That's correct, partner.
Kasi, syempre, first game nila as a team, first time nilang magkakasama-sama dito. So, the chemistry and blending wasn't really kicking in para sa kanila. First and third quarter, I admit, was very good for the side of Kataingan. But when the momentum changed, when they shifted, wala silang naging sagot on that offense, on that run made by Baleno.
And yes,
That's something to improve on para sa team nila.
Yes, partner. And of course, we have 5 players on double digits para sa ating team Baleno. Noy Fragoso with 17 points. Danilo Lario with 11 crucial points at the latter stages, partner. Jonas Juquino with 19 and Ralph De La Rosa with 12 points, partner. Kitang-kita mo. And of course, Mark Poole scoring big 32 points here sa ating quarterfinals. Partner, grabe.
Pero ayun, no, partner. Siyempre, itong Ako Bicol Cup Masbate would not be possible without the help of Rep Zaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Siyempre, katabang na, kasurog mo pa. And kasama na rin doon si Congressman Jill Bungalon. Kaya maraming salamat po. Rep Zaldico, Ako Bicol Party List, and Congressman Jill Bungalon for bringing the Ako Bicol Cup here on the Rodeo capital of the Philippines.
And you know, partner, I would just like to address the viewers na hindi pa yung tapos ng ating games for tonight. Meron pa tayong second game for our quarterfinals, and still stay tuned for that game. And of course, ito si Noy Fragoso. Very exceptional player, stellar player. He's such a pillar for this ball game. You know, kitang-kita mo yung improvement niya all throughout the season, all throughout the cup rather.
Yeah.
And you know, I think this will be a great momentum booster sa kanila on their next outing. And Team Katayngan, I'm sure, because they are newly reinforced, will have new adjustments and of course new strategies coming into their next outing.
Pero ayun, partner, no, this is all of the time that we have as a commentator and the analyst. Ngayon, tatawagin na natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Barbie Floriano to present our kasurog player of the game. Barbie, pasok.
That's the end of Game 1 para sa Day 1 ng ating quarterfinals. And congratulations, Team Baleno. I am now with our kasurog player of the game na si Mark Poole, wearing jersey number 12, who scored 32 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals, and 1 block. So Mark, it was a tight ball game. At saan ba nahirapan ang inyong team in this matchup?
Nahirapan yung team namin siguro nung umpisa kasi sa opensa namin medyo nagmamadali kami. So ayun, nag-adjust kami, nakinig kami sa coaches namin. Kahit papaano nung second half, gumana.
Ayan, as a player, ano pa yung gusto mong improvements na gawin sa iyong sarili?
Gusto ko sa improvement kasi minsan nagpo-point guard ako. Tsaka yung shooting ko, gusto ko ma-improve. Isang malaking bagay sa team namin yon. And yung depensa namin.
Ayan, now grab your chance naman para batiin at pasalamatan lahat ng iyong supporters at ng iyong team.
Siyempre, sinashoutout ko yung anak ko na si Bryson. Sinashoutout ko yung anak ko rin na si Grayson, yung magkapatid. Shoutout sa mama ko, sa lola ko, sa mga tito kong mahal ko, Homok family, sa mga tita ko, sa mga kaibigan ko, One Money, Highland, and sa mga sumusuporta sa amin, Team Baleno, maraming salamat po sa inyo at kay Vice and Mayora. Ayun lang po.
Alright, thank you. And again, congratulations Mark Poole and Team Baleno. Mga kasurog, keep tuned for our next game today, the much-awaited showdown between Team Aroroy and Team San Jacinto. For further updates, follow us on our social media platforms, including the Facebook pages of Ako Bicol Party List, Representative Zaldico, and Ako Bicol Online TV, as well as our YouTube and TikTok accounts via Ako Bicol Cup. This is Barbie Soriano, Ako Bicol Cup, courtside reporter.